Hey guys, is it blackout?
Yes, it is!
Oh, but sorry guys, I have to go first. I can't understand it anymore. Okay, bye guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, where's Sophia?
The computer lab suddenly black out.
Oh, really? The science lab also.
Hey guys, my mom called. I got to go now.
Later.
Wow, your mom have a lot of CD. Why I didn't know all this time that my mother keeps a lot of CD? Wait, I think I have a solution for our problem yesterday.
As we know, blackout often happen in Sabah. This is make people and students hard to do their work, especially for students that always do their homework at night. So, we create a product that makes things easier for us. Our product name is Electroterra, which is the combination of electricity and earth. We use the earth electromagnetic energy and solar power to generate electricity.
For the waste, we choose to use old CDs that are no longer in use and often considered waste. Instead of throwing them away, we repurpose these CDs to create a new source of clean energy. Through this simple innovation, we managed to produce electricity, proving that even discarded materials can contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly. This is the sketch of our product. Firstly, prepare the mold. Use a wooden board and drill 2 small holes on the sides. Next, prepare the CDs. Make 2 small holes at the top of each CDs. Then wrap copper wire, coil copper wire around each CD. After that, arrange CDs in the mold. Neatly place all CDs into the molds. Subsequently, connect the copper wires. Link all the wires from each CDs together. Now, pour epoxy resin. Evenly pour the epoxy resin over the CDs in the molds. Once done, let it dry. Remove the hardening resin from the molds and sun it dry. Afterwards, connect the electrical system, attach the wires to a rechargeable battery, and then into a bulb or mini fan. Finally, use during emergency. This device can be used anytime, especially during blackout.
So, the overall cost of the materials is 30 ringgit. Lastly, this is all of the items that we use to make our product.
And most of the item can be found at Mr. DIY.